Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about drawing a pictographs from the chapter data handling. So now come to here we'll discuss how to draw a pictograph. Drawing a pictograph is an interesting task, but it may be difficult to draw some difficult pictures repeatedly, like pictures of cars, animals, etc. So in that place we can use easy symbols to draw a pictograph. Okay, to draw a pictograph we can use the easy symbols so that it will be easier to draw. We must use a proper key of symbols so that it could be easily understood by anyone. By using easy symbols we can draw a pictograph, but it should be understood by any other also, okay, rest of the persons also, so that you use easy symbols. So here is an example. The following table show the choice of fruits of the 35 students of class 6. Represent the data in pictograph. Here we have given the fruits, okay, where we have given some name of fruits and total number of students are 35. We have given that first mango, okay, preferred by 5 students, apple by 12 students, guava by 3 students, lychee by 7 students, grapes by 8 students. Here we have given the data. By using this data we have to draw a pictograph. So the solution for that we have to select a symbol. So here I have taken one symbol represent two students, okay. To represent two students I have taken the symbol this one, okay, one. And to represent one student I have just removed the leg and hands of the picture, okay. So to represent one student we have to draw a symbol like this, and to represent two students we have to draw a symbol like this. Clear all? So now come to, again you have to draw a table in which you have to write the name of fruits and number of students in pictorial form, in picture form. So mango, we know that it is 5 students, prepared by 5 students. So we have to draw two complete pictures, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 half. So it means 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Clear? Come to apple. There are preferred by 12 students, okay. For that we have to draw 12 by 2, okay. We have to divide this number by, as you know that this, as you have taken that 2 students represented by one picture, okay. So we have to divide 12 by 2 so that we get the number of pictures. If we divide 12 by 2 we are getting 6. So we have to draw 6 complete picture. So here is the 6 complete picture of symbols, okay. Next come the third one, that is guava. It is prepared by 3 students. So we have to draw a, it is 2 plus 1, so we have to draw one complete pictures and one half pictures, okay. So look at here, in this way you have to draw. Last one is lychee is prepared by 7 students. So how many pictures you have to draw? You have to divide 7 by 2, okay. 2 3 is 6 and 1 is the remainder. So you have to draw 3 complete picture and 1 half picture, okay. You have to draw 3 complete picture for lychee and 1 half picture to represent one student. Next for grapes it is 8 by 2 it is 4. So you have to draw 4 complete picture. It is 4 complete picture for grapes. Now come to next example. The data of 100 students has been collected who likes different color, that is given as follows, okay. Here is the table. Here you have given the number of here you have given the color which is preferred by the number of students, okay. So red color was liked by 20 students, black color 30, blue color 35 and yellow color 15. Clear? By using this data we have to draw a pictograph. Clear? So here is the solution. The above data can be represented as the pictograph as follows. So here is the pictograph. In this way you can draw. So here I have taken one symbol, okay. One symbol represent 5 students. You can look at here, one symbol represent 5 students and then the symbol is for the students, okay. So now we can draw the pictograph for this. For that we have to make 2 columns. First one for color, second one for number of students in picture form. Red color is preferred by 20 students. So for that what to do? We have to divide 20 with 5, as you have taken 5 here. Okay, one picture represent 5 students. For that you have to divide the 20 with 5. So 5 4s are 20. So you have to draw 4 symbols, or you can say that 4 pictures. Come to second one. Black color is preferred by 30 students. So what to do? We have to divide 30 by 5. So 5 6 ja. So here we have to draw 6 picture. 3 3 6. Okay. Next come to blue color. It is preferred by 35 students. So 35 divided by 5, it is 7. So here we have to draw. In front of blue color we have to draw 7 pictures or 7 symbols. Last one is yellow color is preferred by 15 students. Or 15 by 5 it is 3. So we have to draw 3 pictures in front of yellow color. Okay. So in this way you have to draw the pictograph by using the given data. Just in place of number you have to draw the pictures. Okay, you have to represent the numbers in the form of picture, so that we will get the information about that one from the pictograph also. That's all. Thank you.